This is it. The ball is rolling. Wow. Naghugas pa. Wow.
Kids a dinner.
Wow. Gusto niya yung low maintenance lang na plant.
Let's go.
Let's go. Oh. Sorry. Forgot my sunnies again.
Can I quickly grab one up?
Nah. All good. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. It is Saturday and I'm happy. Yesterday
Wow,
wasn't.
finally. About bloody time.
I felt like a piece of poo for the past 2 days. So, yesterday and Thursday. Pero, I'm back! Hello?
I'm always back.
Yeah, no, Dan is always happy. It is a sunny but windy day. Is it?
Yeah, sunny, cloudy.
Cloudy. Ah! It was sunny and now it's cloudy.
We're going to speak to a builder today.
Yes.
And
It's happening, guys.
yeah.
This is it. The ball is rolling. Rolling, rolling slowly. So we will meet one builder today.
We'll meet
Just
one builder, look at a couple of show homes, and then we'll see what happens from there.
Yeah, so we are looking at 3 builders, aren't we?
Yeah, at least 2 and up to 3.
Dapat kasi may options, char. It's good to have options. So what we will do is we will try and get a quote from 3. Like, you know, we will meet with them and see what they are like and see what they can offer, and most importantly, the cost of it all. Right now, we will meet with one. Siya yung na-meet namin nung pinuntahan natin yung display home last time. Yung merong townhouse na ang ganda pagka-design, guys. And then, we do not know when we will meet the next builder yet. Pero we will start with this one. Ito, gusto to ni Dan.
Oh, this is what Mum recommended. So,
oh, yeah. His mom is being very helpful on this, so thank you so much.
Mummy works in the building industry, so she knows.
Yeah. Ang natutunan namin na Dan, what we've learned so far is utilize your connection. So, kung may kakilala ka na like nagagawa nito or like may knowledge sa ganito, ask them, and we are utilizing your mom so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, so thank you so much. Napaka-helpful ng mama niya and she's so excited for us as well, which is good.
Cool.
Yeah.
You haven't told him the plan? Nope. Okay. Fair enough.
I'm not gonna tell you guys the plan yet.
Okay.
But we have like a plan that's gonna affect our future. There's a lot going on at the moment and my brain cannot handle it. Anyway, pa sweet yung aking lips today. On my lips, I have these 2. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha? Yung Generation Happy Skin Kiss and Bloom Water Lip and Cheek Tint Shade Quirky. Nilagay ko siya sa parang inner part ng lips ko. And then, I use this Chateau Labiotte Wine Lipstick. Lipstick siya, hindi siya tint. Ito siya, oh. Ganyan. Yung shade niya is BE01. Parang yung formula niya is melting. Kasi may nakalagay dito melting. I-leave ko yung link nito sa description box kasi meron siya sa YesStyle. Nilagay ko siya on the outer part of my lips. Tapos, ginaganon-ganon ko yung lips ko. Tapos, meron siyang parang pa-ombre, pa-bebe. Hanap? Good lips?
Great lips.
Great lips. Weather looks really nice today.
Yeah, no, that's good.
Yeah.
Nice day. The Asian grocery a bit later as well, my love.
Oh yeah, we will go to the Asian grocery because I want to eat some good food tomorrow. Like, yummers.
Do you want to do the talking with the builder to start it all off and
Not do the talking,
Okay.
like not the main talking, but I do share points.
Are you gonna film the
here and
builder?
there.
did I ask her?
Can I?
We'll ask her.
We'll just set the camera somewhere.
Yeah, we'll just say to her we won't include any wording. We'll just
Yeah.
tell her who you are. So look, I'm a world famous
Oh,
vlogger.
whatever, babe.
Well,
Login yung pinagsasabi doon na vlogger ako. I don't like it. You tell everyone that I'm a vlogger.
everyone I meet.
Lahat talaga na namimit yan. Dami niya kayong namimit araw-araw.
Alright, give everyone a look at her channel.
Aw, that's exciting.
Simply.
Thank you.
Simply
So,
Rhaze.
yeah, you got a few followers. That's cool.
We're finished with our first builder meeting.
How did it go? What do you think, babe?
I like her.
I like her as well.
Yeah,
Did you film her?
a little bit.
These are the free story ones.
Yeah.
She's very nice.
Yeah, she's very nice. We just have to talk to 2 more or maybe 1 more. We'll see. And these are display homes as well.
Oh, these are townhouses.
Ah, okay. Dito lang kami sa mga display homes, guys. Yan, tinignan namin yan. And ano ba yung tinignan namin? Parang, yan. Yung iba kasi close way. Dito kami sa loob, guys. This is the first... This is the first display home na nakita namin na may ano, pambata. And cute! Aww, look, cute.
That's cute.
OTD! Yes style. Pilipinas. Yes style. Okay, okay. Perla. Shoes, I don't know.
Labiotte's,
Wow.
JJ's, Tommy.
Tommy. Good job, babe. Dito kami sa ibang bahay na naman, guys. This looks good. And they have a pool. Ayun, wala na. Nagbunyi ng isa. Now it's locked.
No, I took my foot in that.
Why would you do that? Ah, yeah, the pool looks nice. Yeah. Look at that. That's not even that big.
No, I'm taking a photo show, Jay.
Yeah. Yung stepsister niya kasi gusto ng pool. Meron na silang bahay, di ba? Bumili sila ng bahay. Yung sa kanila, ano lang to, bali, parang grass lang ba? Tapos gusto daw nila patuyuan ng pool. O palagyan ng pool. Oh, looks really nice. Very nice. Ito yung bahay, maganda din. Very open. Ito yung gusto ko, very open lang. I like that it has a lot of windows para pasok na pasok ang natural lighting. Very nice. Guys, tapos na kami sa display homes for now. I'm not sure kung may titingnan pa kami mamaya. But, dito kami sa Asian Grocer sa Martins Road. Yung may mga seafood silang benta. So, dito tayo. Tagal na namin hindi nakapag-grocery shopping. Lagi na lang kami nagte-take away, which is not good. Pero yung mga tinitake away ko as much as possible yung mga ano naman. Like, vegetarian dumpling, mga ganon, mga char-char. Anyway, dito na tayo. There you go. Asan ba yun? Ayun pala. Yun, yun. No! Yun! Ano ba yan? Hindi ko kasi makita. Asian Grocer. Taka-taka. Hair and Beauty. May tinuro ko eh.
Two, babe.
Em còn trong chi được xôi tên lại con ông không em nhái còn một thao ông hay dưới mà mình cứ trả ấy tổng ở đó là còn một thao bóng ở trong đây mà cứ thả một hai tổng con quá anh chị trả khoản ta lên
There's no chocolate. May banana leaf sila dito, guys. Yung pang budol fight ba? Wa tayo niyan. Ugoy, ang lamig, ang lamig. $6.99, so $7 isa. Will that be big enough?
The bigger one?
Huh?
How many leaves are there?
I don't know.
I'll do a few, won't I?
Yeah, maybe.
That's a lot of leaves.
Okay, that's good. Guys, tingnan nyo. Tawag namin dito si Carabao. $50 per kilo.
What's this, Sarah?
$50. That is sour soup.
Sweet and sour, but more so.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, it's good actually.
It's good. Thanks for that.
Anong tawag dyan? Guyabano ba to? I think Ate Cheryl gave you like a tea version of this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Ang mahal, no? For $50 per kilo. Mga isda, guys, oh. Look at the salmon, babe. Massive.
Beautiful.
We will get shrimp, guys. Hala, crabs, babe. Do you want crabs? $20 per kilo. Do you want crabs or no? No?
You don't use the tongs? Doesn't matter now. That'll do.
Yes, hello, one please, no problem.
Okay.
Yes. Good, got lấy sư hơi. You want to cut it?
You're cool.
No, that's alright.
Yes, no worries.
Yeah, thank you.
Anything else?
No, that's alright. Anything else? Two chicken breasts? Guys, may nag-aaway sa labas. Like, nagsisigawan talaga sila ba? Tingnan niyo si Dan. Nagtatagal talaga siya sa labas. Kahit wala naman siyang kailangan gawin dun. Kailangan lang niyang naman ilagay yung ano. Look at him. Nakikinig siya sa away. Ako iniwasan ko. Natatakot ako do. Kahit hindi naman ako yung kaaway, natatakot talaga ako sa mga ganyan. Dumiretso ako sa sasakyan. Tapos kinilinos ko para hindi ko marinig. Natatakot ako si Danny Boy. Agoy, ah! Pabisi-bisihan para lang makinig sa nag-aaway. Nag-aaway pa rin sila, guys. Nagsisigawan talaga ang lakas ng boses. Yung dibdib ko na gumaganon-ganon, oh. Wait, Danny Boy, bilisan. Come on, babe. What are you doing?
Don't put everything into this bag.
Ang daming F ng kuya.
Oh.
You are so nosy.
It's funny.
Yeah, nah. It's not funny, it's scary. It must
They
be
live
what?
together.
They live together?
Yeah.
You figured that out?
I figured that out. They live together.
Gosh.
The guy sounded Asian, but he looked white, the one that was yelling.
No, he just had the accent. Like the country accent, actually, not Asian.
I think the guy that was yelling was angry because the other guy's done something wrong. I must be inviting some dodgy people over, and the guy that's yelling like, I don't want you in my effing house, get the F out of the house.
Oh gosh, babe.
So, yeah.
Like seriously, why would you want to listen to something like that? Where are we going next?
Let's go to the West Lakes one.
Okay.
Check out the frontage and we'll head home after that.
Okay, we will check another display house, guys.
This one is for the frontage where May like for our house.
Okay.
Who knows? We already saw a picture of it.
We will see.
We will see.
Ito na naman, guys, may pool na naman. Ang cute nito kasi maliit lang yung pool.
Do something like that.
Do you wanna do something like that?
What do you, for 20 grand, what do you want to do something like that?
Would you maintain it?
It's the size of a bathtub.
Goy ang buang. Would you do something like that? Halang saya-saya na niya. Halo. Wow. Naghugas pa. Wow. That's nice. Goy ang pool. Beautiful?
That's very cool.
Nasaan na si Danny Boy? Ah, ayun. Nagme-measure na naman.
Measuring the footsteps, right? This is too long.
Too long?
Yeah, to be honest, like for an upstairs area, if we had a walk here, that'd be big enough for like
Yeah.
a three-seater couch. I'm just a three-seater couch.
Yep.
Like a kids area.
Maganda yung floor nito. Second floor na kami nitong bahay na to.
See, another brothers.
We're here sa bathroom nila, guys. Looks good. Ah, ensuite. Look.
Yeah.
Nakikita niyo mo yung bedroom dun. That's nice.
Do you like this better? Instead of having like a shelf, you just go like that and do you like it like that? Or do you like this, the built-in thing?
What do you like better?
Either of us works for me. This actually will make it, well it depends, it's actually the same, but you actually lose, I don't know if you lose space, I'm not sure if you gain space or lose space. I don't know if they build this out and then go like that, so you lose an inch.
Okay.
I don't know. This looks fine though.
Yeah,
I can-
that's fine. Do you like the tiles? Oh, ligo. We will do something like this, guys. Yung dalawa yung shower. Okay. Alright. Very good.
Water.
Ala. Kabasa-basa jud siya. And we will do 2 sinks as well.
2 sinks.
Weird.
I don't know if it's going to be this long, but this is pretty long.
Yeah, this is nice.
I don't
And
know.
gusto ko yung ganito, yung nasa ilalim yung sink, hindi yung naka-expose. Mas malinis lang siya tingnan, tapos mas malaki yung space tingnan. Yung goal namin is, like, parang i-maximize yung space as much as possible. Tapos, yung design, yung para, like, sleek na clean looking yung design yung
I
gusto
wonder if
namin.
this is the same size
Minimal.
wardrobe that she sent us.
Ah. Gusto ko tong floor na to. Kasi si Dan sabi niya, gusto niya carpet. Pero okay lang tong floor na to sa taas. Tapos, syempre tayo sa bathroom. Ganda. Dito na tayo sa closet nila. May measure na naman siya, guys.
Okay. This is a little bit bigger than
This is a little bit bigger.
the one that she sent me. Yeah, not much bigger, a little bit bigger.
Closet. And would you put something like this?
I would, but
Yeah,
you,
natural lighting.
but
And then
you
the
want-
mirror will be on this side here.
well, it won't be there because that's where
No?
your ensuite will be.
No, no.
Kids, get the dinner.
Wow. That's the kids' room?
That's the kids' room. Got all the kids' rooms there. Love my pop's room there.
Wait. Yep. No, gusto ko to sold. Gusto ko to ganito. Bahay na tayo, guys. Kakarating lang namin. Si Dan umalis agad. Yung hiniram niya yung trailer ng kuya niya kasi gusto niyang linisin yung bamboo namin sa labas. Tapos hindi kasi siya magkasya sa green bin namin. So kailangan niya ng trailer para paglagyan ng mga bamboo. Tapos i-drop niya sa kung saan i-drop yung parang like dumpster ba. Hindi ko alam kung saan yun. Siya na bahala dun. Gagawin niya daw bukas eh. Pero ngayon na may trailer na baka ngayon niya gawin. Anyway, si Dan bumili ng beer. Sapporo, half price. $2.50. And then I got Moscato as well. Cola. Rose na Moscato. Gusto ko lang siyang itry. Nakasale siya from $10 to $7. Yan yung drink namin bukas sa aming pamukbang. Gagawa kami ng Budo Fight mukbang ni Dan. Ito yung nabili namin sa Asian shop kanina. So we got mga mais, guys. Corn, 2. Kay Danny Boy yan. We got the banana leaf. And then prawns. Mga 8-10 pieces na prawns. Okra. We got choco. Finally, meron na silang sayote. Kasi sa mga regular na grocery, walang sayote. Kasi hindi daw season ng sayote ngayon. And then we got chili. Mangga. Malalaking sweet mangoes. 2. Lemon. And then we got the pork hack. And then napunta kami sa Woolies. Bumili lang si Dan ng mga barbecue. Gusto ko sanang gumawa ng sariling barbecue. Tapos sabi ni Dan, baka sobrang mabisi ka, hindi mo siya magawa. So, bumili na lang siya nung templado na. Chicken at saka beef yung pinili niya. Yan. Para bukas din yan, guys. And then, this is his dinner. Ano na siya? Marinated na steak for mamaya. Yung dinner ko, iba eh. 3 tissues, kasi naubusan na kami ng tissue. Sa Tuesday, yung matinong grocery shopping namin. Ito, like, para lang makasurvive kami hanggang Tuesday. This is my dinner, guys. Crunchy chicken katsu roll. Yan. Sushi. Dinner ko mamaya. Yummers. Headache tablets. We will need that. And then, more tissues. So, we got 3 para sa mga kwarto. And then, we got para. And then, avocado breakfast bukas. And then, pineapple. Isang pineapple, guys. Malaki yung pineapple. Sana matamis to. Yun lang ang ating grocery today. Hintayin natin si Danny Boy. Yung kuya niya kasi pumunta sa holiday house nila kahapon ata, tapos ngayon umuwi. Dala-dala niya yung trailer kasi meron din siyang mga basura doon na sinakay niya sa trailer niya. Tapos dito niya daw itatapon sa dumpster something. Anyway, nag-stop dito yung kuya niya, tapos sinatid niya yung kuya niya sa bahay nila. Yun yung nangyari, kaya wala si Dan. Kasi iniwan nga niya yung trailer niya dito, diba? So wala siya sasakyan pa uwi ng bahay nila. Ang bango ng mangga! Matagal na din ako hindi kumakain ng mangga kasi yung last na mangga na kinakain ko yung binili ni Dan sa client niya na sobrang tamis talaga, na sobrang sarap. Ito sabi sweet mango daw siya. Tapos mahal siya, guys. $3.99 isa. So sabi ko, siguro matamis siguro yan kasi mahal eh. Guys, kain na tayo ng dinner. Do you want me to cook your dinner now?
No.
No, not yet? Kainin natin tong ano, guys. Sushi Izu. Nabili namin to sa Woolies. Natry na ni Danin. Sabi niya, masarap daw. Ito yung crunchy chicken katsu roll. Double, sabi. Ooh, looks good. And, inan ko na din. Binalatan ko na, kinat ko na yung pinya. Para may prutas tayo. Oh my gosh, ang bango. Bawang ba to? Is it garlic? The toppings?
On the steak?
Yeah. On the sushi.
That's very
What? Okay, let's try. It's a crispy chicken inside, yeah? Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Itong nasa taas. Hindi daw siya garlic eh, sabi ni Dan. Wait, we need some soy sauce. Is it avocado inside? Ano ba to? Sarap, guys. Guys, si Dan nasa labas. Start na siyang putulin yan. Gabi na, pero hindi pa madilim kasi summer. So, he's doing it now. Kasi bukas may ganap kami sa umaga eh. Hapon lang kami free. Hapon gabi, ganun. So, gagawin niya yan ngayon. Nice weather.
Look how big it is.
I know. So, kapag nakat na kasi niya yan lahat, guys, sobrang dami mag-accumulate. So, hindi siya kakasya sa regular na bin lang namin. Kaya kailangan namin yung trailer ng kuya niya. Isa to sa mga problema namin. Hindi naman problema, pero isa to sa mga iniisip namin ni Dan kung saan ilalagay sa bagong bahay. Kasi ayaw namin siya na naka-expose dyan. Gusto namin siya itago sa gilid. So, sana mahanapan namin siya ng paraan na nasa gilid siya na hindi naman kami makakaaksaya ng like sobrang laking space. Kailangan kasi may ganyan ni, ano yan siya, rainwater tank. Kailangan may ganyan talaga, hindi pwedeng wala. Good job, babe.
Thank you. Trying to get on the way.
Yeah. I'll time-lapse you, okay?
Sorry?
Time-lapse you. May nakita daw si Dan. What is it, my love?
Bird nest, babe.
Bird's
No eggs.
nest.
Bird nest.
Huh.
Maybe that's a good thing, no eggs.
No
It's over
eggs.
there.
Yeah.
Maybe they've already been and gone.
Yeah, we get a lot of birds here. Tingnan nyo guys, ang progress niya. Ang bilis kasi tumubo ng bamboo. Si Dan kasi, nung pinatayo niya tong bahay, siya kasi nagpatayo nitong bahay na to. Gusto niya yung low maintenance lang na plant. And he went for bamboo. And yeah, low maintenance siya kasi hindi mo siya kailangan i-water. Tapos kapag nagbabakasyon ka, nagta-travel ka, like hindi siya mamamatay kasi nabubuhay siya winter at saka summer. Kaya nga lang, kapag tumubo siya, bongga din naman ang kanyang tubo. Ang haba niya talaga yung tubo niya. Hindi din kasi siya na-maintain ni Dan ng bongga. Like, kung mini-maintain to ni Dan, let's say, once every 3 months, then hindi siya lalago ng ganito. Hindi siya hahaba nung ganun, like nung kanina. Pero, inaano niya kasi to, let's say, what? How often do you maintain this? Once, twice a year? Once a year. Huh?
Once. Remember, every 9 months, 10 months?
Yeah, mga once a year, guys, niya to na maintain. So, kung iisipin mo talaga sa pag-maintain niya, low maintenance siya. Kasi once a year niya lang to kinakat eh. Pero yun nga lang, kapag hindi mo siya na-maintain, lalago at lalago talaga siya. Tapos, bukas niya daw to aayusin. Yung parang ititrim niya talaga ba? Kasi ito ang lagu-lagu dito. O, tapos dun hindi masyado. So, gusto sana namin, ganyan lang yung itsura. Diba? Kami na talaga kalibunan. That's it? Yeah. Take a rest. Do you want me to cook your dinner now?
You don't mind?
No, I don't mind. Yeah. Just air fry that one? No?
Oh, air fryer would be alright.
Yeah.
Air fryer.
Yeah. I-air fry natin tong kanyang marinated beef. Bumili siya ng, dalawa lang sana yung bibilhin niya, pero tinatlo niya kasi maliliit sila, tapos maninipis. So, air fry natin. I'm also boiling the crispy pata, guys, yung pork hack. Nilagyan ko lang yan ng whole peppercorn, vegeta, asin, tapos bay leaves. Yun lang. Yun lang yung nilagay ko dun. Now, i-air fry natin to para makakain na to si Dan. What do you want for your side dish? Corn or? Corn sounds good?
Yeah.
Yep.
Nice. Do you have corn at all, babe?
Sige.
Have half a corn.
So, ganito siya, guys. Marinated na siya. First time namin itong itatry. Yung bumili kami sa butcher ng templado na aba. Kasi usually yung binibili namin steak, kami lang nagtitimplay. So, sana, masarap na siguro to. Yung pork hack, pang bukas yan, guys, para sa budol fight namin ni Dan bukas. Nilalagay lang namin yung pork hack, guys. Tapos ko na siya pakuluan! Tapos ko na siya pakuluan. So, yan. Sobrang lambot na niyan. I'll just let it drain. Yeah. Drain lang niya yung liquid niya. Tapos pwede ko yung ilagay sa fridge. So, bukas i-air fry ko na lang yan, guys. Kasi may lasa na yan eh. So, okay na yan para bukas. Guys, madaling araw na, 12 na ng umaga. Nabisi ako kanina basa-basa ng mga libro na nakuha namin kanina sa lakad namin. Anyway, yun na yung vlog. Sana guys nagustuhan nyo. Please like this video if you did enjoy. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Good night. Si Dan tulog na. Bye. Mwah.